Hi guys, today we will learn how to create a curved doorway in Adonai. First, I am selecting the door opening and adjusting its width and position. Then I go to custom modeling and further refine the placement. Next, I take a rectangle and apply a 2D bevel with a measurement of 800 mm. After that, I draw another rectangle over the sheet and remove the unnecessary curves. Finally, I extrude the curved shape to create the doorway opening. Once done, I click on Finish. And here you can see the perfectly curved doorway opening.